In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this basketball hoop that actually works. To make this basketball hoop, you need any type of rectangular paper. So first we're going to fold this edge to this edge. Open it and repeat on the other side. So now you're going to just open this flap, and then we're going to fold these two corners right over here to these 2 points where these lines touch these edges over here. Open it up. Now we're just going to fold this flap down like this, and we're going to reverse fold this part and repeat on the other side. I'm going to fold this down and then reverse fold and then collapse the whole thing. So now we have made the water bomb base. So I'm going to do it again. Fold this flap down, reverse this crease, do the same thing on the other side. So now you should have something like this. So now we're going to make the basket. So we have this pocket right over here. We're going to stick this flap into that pocket to make the hoop. Like this. So after you make the hoop, we're just going to fold these 2 edges to the middle so the hoop will stand. So we're just going to fold this edge like this, and then we're going to repeat on the other side. And then if you open it up slightly, the hoop will now be able to stand. And if you crumple up a piece of paper like this, a small piece of paper like this, you can make the ball. Then try to score. So this is the end of the video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to my channel to find more amazing origami content like this and other stuff too. And if you liked this video very much, you can smash that like button, and also comment down below how did you think of this basketball hoop. So see you guys next time. Bye.